5 years ago, we started with an idea. What if robots could enable local commerce, improving our communities? So, we designed an autonomous electric vehicle that only carries goods. Then, we brought it to life. Now, we're making it better. Meet our next generation vehicle. Designed for more. Cleaner air. And to be safer than ever. Prioritizing the safety of others over the goods it carries. Purpose-built to commercialize at scale.
Uber Eats is serving up autonomous EVs this fall. Introduction. It's no secret that Uber has beta tested its autonomous electric vehicles since 2017. In March 2019, Uber announced its plans to place 500 self-driving EVs on the road by 2021. While the company is known for its ride-sharing service, it also operates a food delivery app called Uber Eats. And now it's putting those two things together. Starting next year, an autonomous Neo e-Net will deliver your pre-made burritos or burgers from restaurants in San Francisco. The partnership between these two companies is part of Uber's larger plan of making all transportation autonomous by 2030. Neo, an independent company, based in China, will manufacture the electric vehicle. Neo is a Shanghai-based automaker working on autonomous vehicles since its founding in 2014. In 2018, Neo raised $1 billion to fund the development of a new electric vehicle, EV, and entered into an agreement with Aurora to collaborate on self-driving tech. According to Bloomberg, Uber Eats will begin testing the fleet later this year, with plans for full deployment by 2021. Self-driving electric vehicles are the future, and companies like Uber, which have been testing their service for the last few years, know this. Self-driving electric vehicles are the future, and companies like Uber, which have been testing their service for the last few years, know this. But while they may understand that better than anyone else, it doesn't mean they're not looking forward to it with much trepidation. Uber announced Friday that it would launch an autonomous delivery service called Uber Eats Autonomous later this fall. Uber's website says the new service will allow users to order from select restaurants using their personalized digital assistant. It also explains how you'll place your order. When ready to make a purchase, reads the site's FAQ section, you simply say, "Hey Siri" or "OK Google" followed by "Order from my favorite restaurant." Your digital assistant will then ask for your address and relay it with directions on how long until your meal arrives. Uber announced in March 2019 that it had chosen Neo to manufacture a fleet of autonomous vehicles for its food delivery service, Uber Eats. Uber announced in March 2019 that it had chosen Neo to manufacture a fleet of autonomous vehicles for its food delivery service, Uber Eats. Neo is an independent company based in China which, if you've been keeping up with the news lately, may sound familiar. They're best known for their high-end electric cars but recently released designs for an all-electric SUV called Eve. The design is futuristic and sleek with a high safety ceiling, perfect for Uber's autonomous vehicle needs. The vehicle's design is futuristic and sleek, with a high safety ceiling. The vehicle's design is futuristic and sleek, with a high safety ceiling. Weighing in at about 1,500 pounds, it can carry 6 people with their groceries and food. The EatsBug trademark will have 4 wheels with rubber tires and an electric motor that can run up to 50 miles on a single charge. It takes roughly 8 hours to fully charge. The concept features an aerodynamic body with an upper deck and side panels that open up when passengers want to get into or out of it. The interior is designed with hardwood floors, leather seating surfaces, ambient lighting and tinted windows to provide privacy while allowing passengers to still see their surroundings clearly when they're inside. The Eats Bug trademark looks similar to a golf cart but has been designed specifically for this purpose rather than being modified from existing vehicles or industrial equipment like many other autonomous delivery projects currently being tested by companies like Ford Motor Company or Domino's Pizza Incorporated. By next year there will be a collaboration between NIO and Uber Eats to place 500 autonomous vehicles on the street for delivery services. Uber has announced a new partnership with Chinese electric vehicle manufacturer NIO, which will supply the company with 500 autonomous vehicles for use in delivery services by next year. The vehicles are not yet available, but they will be manufactured by NIO and used specifically for delivery services. The news comes just days after the announcement that Uber's self-driving fleet would begin testing on public roads in Arizona later this month. The vehicle has 4 wheels and is similar to a golf cart, except it can comfortably seat 6 people. The vehicle has 4 wheels and is similar to a golf cart, except it can comfortably seat 6 people. The high safety ceiling makes it easy to load and unload, while the seating arrangements allow for plenty of legroom. Like other autonomous vehicles, the car uses cameras, radar and sensors to navigate its way around. It's also an autonomous electric vehicle, AEV, which requires no driver or human intervention. In fact, there's no steering wheel or pedals on this AEV either. Autonomous electric vehicles are coming to fulfill our needs sooner than we think. NIO, the high-performance electric car manufacturer, has joined forces with Uber to develop a fleet of self-driving vehicles that will be used for Uber Eats. NIO's Silicon Valley design team created and tested it in San Francisco. This vehicle was designed specifically for food delivery. It will have 4 wheels and room for 6 passengers comfortably. The vehicle is similar to a golf cart, except it can comfortably seat 6 people. It was developed in response to customer feedback from riders who want more space to enjoy their meal on the go. Conclusion: the partnership between NIO and Uber Eats is a step in the right direction for both companies. It shows that they are serious about ushering in the future of autonomous vehicles, which will soon be available to everyone.